least in heaven I can skate.
Hey there everyone, welcome back. So the other day I started landing and stomping down switch frontside flips. So today, since I figure I can do them switch, I can do them nollie. So let's give it a shot and see if I can do some nollie frontside flips. Let's go! Oh, that was it. Oh my god, into primo. Oh, that was it. Ah, that was it. That was it. Yeah. Let's go. I landed one, but I had to revert. I have limited space, but I still landed one. I know I can get a better one, but I'm running out for time and my battery's about to die. Oh, that hurt. That was good impact. Let's go! Let's go! Woo! That's my first time ever landing a nollie frontside flip. Let's go! And it was nice and clean with that right away, even though I'm limited on space. Anyways, this goes to show you old dogs can learn new tricks, and if you're dedicated and you just focus, you can eventually land new stuff as well. So just keep trying, everyone. If you can do me a huge favor, like this video, comment down below, and click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care, and peace out.